I'm Jason Webster, head coach with the West mountain bike team. And here we are in snowy Cedar City, hoping we get a little bit of racing offer. Crazy night last night. We were expecting some weather coming in with a winter storm, but we didn't expect this much snow. We thought we'd have tons of wind, we staked down. We definitely saw other teams out here fully set up and thought, yeah, we're good to go. But the snow loads, I think, really took out a few of our tents, something we didn't anticipate. We had, I think, 5 tents survive, and we lost 3, 2 catastrophically, but I think ultimately we came out pretty good. I didn't even realize that these had a lifetime warranty, so it's a huge relief this morning to find that out, and especially looking at the pile of metal that we need to recycle, knowing that we, as a small team, can get back up and running without too much financial burden and get running quickly.